Hey, it's Max Van from Sportbike and today we're here to talk about the new team shirts that you guys have been waiting for. So recently, all over social media, some of you have been saying, when's the team shirt coming out? Where's the Max Van merch? Well, I'm here to tell you today that they're out and they're on the site. So the shirts are here, they're pretty sweet. I'm 5'10", I'm 155 pounds, and this is a size small and it fits pretty well. It's nice and snug. As you guys know, my dad likes his shirt tight, and I learned that from him so he can look better. So, but yeah, we got a bunch of kick-ass sponsor patches all along here. Got my number and name in the back. And also, Sportbike, my family-owned business. Thank you guys for buying stuff from us throughout the past 15 years. I couldn't be doing this cool stuff without you. So the shirts are for sale on the site at $34.95. It'll be pretty cool seeing you guys wear my shirt. I'd really appreciate it. But maybe give me a tag on social media to all appear. Sportbike one will be right here. And yeah, we'll give you a repost and a shout out. Thanks.